go and change their places. Like, you're gonna move your tools around and where you want them to go. If you want one to go in the middle, one to go next to it. And how about this one goes right here? And add this one right here. Let's add this one here. And how about this one here? There we got a statue in a lot of more places. Now, first of all, let's reset it. Don't be easier, a lot easier to put them in the place they were before. It's resetting. Your saved work will get lost. Will be saved. It won't be same. Anyway, here you can't move it with your mouse or hand. You have to go to here with 2 lines. Click on that. Then you're gonna see this. Hide windows, and that's where you can hide your windows. Which windows you want to hide. And here's like this. Anyways, resetting windows will not change their place eventually. Now you'll have to do lock windows and unlock windows and like this. It will look like that. How exciting. You can't really exactly scale it. It's hard to rotate it, but it can't be set. You can move every single one of them. Do it like this, and let's take this out here. Now I can put this one here. And then a reminder of where it was could be this one, so it'd be easier to put back in place. But eventually I'd like it up here. This one under. This one here. How about this one here? Finally, this one is here. Well, the tool option here. Once you lock your windows, you can't move it. Locking the windows just means that no one can move it. If you unlock the windows, you can move it wherever you want. And that's how you can change the place in your tools in Algodoo. But what about something else? How can you create hiding? How can you hide making a marble race? Anyway, the first thing you have to do is go here. Then select all of them except for the simulation. And then do this. I like it that way. Now let's drag this. I guess I'll unlock the windows. But this is the way we live with. Now we can move it to the correct spot. And as you can see, things may turn upside down. It may look upside down when you change whichever side. If you move this one to this side, this one to this side, what if you added this one to this side? And in between can't be mean. But this is how it is. You can put this on the middle, put this next to it, and when you turn it off, it will become a big mess, but let's just turn it off, and that's how it goes.